How to fix Windows Update stuck at a random percentage. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can fix your Windows Update getting stuck. Before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. First step is you will need to open up your services. So search for services on your search bar. And after you open it up, here you'll find a lot of different services that are currently running and which are also currently stopped. So from here, you can tap on any service and then press the W key. It should take you to the W section where you will find a service called Windows Update. Here, you can double tap on it and there you'll see Startup Type. Set it to automatic. Then you can start it if it's not started, or if it's already started, you can simply restart it. So you can tap on apply and then tap on OK, and here you can restart it. After you've done that, you are basically good to go. That should fix your problem. If not, you can always troubleshoot and that will fix your problem as well. Finally, restart your entire device. You can press Alt F4 and you can see the shutdown option. You can simply select restart and then tap on OK. After the restart finishes, you can try to launch your Windows Update again and it should go rather smoothly. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Again, if you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.